We're listening. Money, watch the camera. The camera is here. For example,
if an amateur presentation is operating for this work, thank you. When the chance comes to say thank you, do you agree? Yes, you have to agree with it. We all are amateur presenters because we are not fluency in English language, and we are about to gain that maturity in the English field. So there are many ways to say thank you. I have included two ways of saying thank you in our presentation. Thank you for listening. Thank you for your attention, and you can say thank you for being me for this minute. How long your presentation is? Or thank you for having me on this stage. I am really feeling privileged standing in front of you, giving presentation. This is how you can say thank you. It's just not like inviting questions and discussing. This is also an important part. If you finish your presentation, if you say any questions or comments, if nobody asks any questions, that it seems that your presentation is not good. It is not good, and you are not satisfied with the presentation what we are giving. So, our presenter should always focus on his presentation skills, so that the question will arise from the audience, and the presenter can ask about the questions.
push up.
As now any questions comment after finishing his presentation. Wait. So now I am very interested to hear your comments. Are you glad to try and answer your questions? This is the way to invite a question. And lastly, I want to say my mind. This is a very inspirational and touching saying. People will forget what you say. People will forget what you did. But people will never forget how you made them feel. That's why conclusion should be really inspirational and touching to God. If you are presenting about the social and economic background or political issue, you can go to the stage in front of the drum and say, John F. Kennedy said, don't only think what country did for you. Sometimes think what you can do for your country. These are inspirational quotes said by John F. Kennedy. You can also conclude your presentation like this way. And lastly, I want to invite if any questions and queries, please. Yes, Mr. Sunil, please.
If question not after your presentation, then can you say that whether your presentation is good or not?
Yes, it is obvious. Your presentation will not be good enough to satisfy yourself. Any questions?
Yeah.
Mr. Lal.
Is it necessary to wear a formal dress during a presentation?
Yes, it depends upon the condition. It depends upon the condition. If it is a national or international conference, we should have to wear the formal dress. We should not go to the presentation wearing pajamas or shorts, knickers. This is the protocol of presentation. Okay, I think this is not for today.